Alright, peeps. It is what it is. What's it? Oh, no. Okay, here we go. We got some country style ribs. I'm going to take this package, clean the meat, cut it up, and you know what we're going to do with it, right? I got a couple ideas I'm going to do with it. One, I think I may make some kind of stew. Uh, you know, other one, I'm thinking about maybe grilling some of it and then having it served with some rice. Haven't quite figured out what I'm going to do with it yet. But one thing I am absolutely sure I'm going to do with it is I'm going to steam the dog. I'm going to steam it to death. And I know people are going to wonder, why do you keep steaming stuff? Because it makes the meat tender, and I don't have to beat the meat. I don't have to try to tenderize it and make it soft. Once I steam it, it becomes as soft as I want it. And the longer I steam it, the softer the meat becomes. That's why I use steam. So I'm going to clean this up, go to get it ready for the Instapot. Probably going to put it in. I was thinking water, but I think I might just use some beef broth for this. So let's go ahead and let me go ahead and get started with this. Peeps, so I'm going to show you what the goodness look like. This is what it looks like after it's been cut up. So we're going to take nice scissors and we're going to cut the meat into chunks. And the reason I'm cutting it like this is because I'm going to use it for multi-purpose reasons. And I don't need long pieces of meat to do what I want to do. Some people say, well, you should use a knife. But these scissors work so well, and they stainless steel, easy to clean, easy to maintain, doesn't really hold on to a lot of bacteria such as some other metals, and they work great. Most of your knives are probably stainless steel. And believe it or not, I believe I got these from probably like one of the dollar stores, and I was shocked to find out that this was actually stainless steel that came from a dollar store, because most of the stuff, almost everything that comes from the dollar store is Chinese, and so the quality may not always be up to par. I was really shocked that this was stainless steel. And if you want to do a quick taste test to verify if what you have may be stainless steel, put it in the dishwasher. If it rusts, it's not stainless steel. Stainless steel is one of those few metals that will not rust if you put it in a dishwasher. And yes, that is true. No matter what people may want to think, that is the case. I think I need to resharpen these scissors. So, lots of meat, I know, isn't it? I'm gonna have to speed this video up to get past a lot of this cutting part, but I'm going to go ahead and turn the video off. Where I see? Let's see how long it's going to take me to do the rest of these. Oh, this is nice, juicy, fat meat. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and finish cutting the rest of this up. But for now, I'm going to show you what I'm going to add to it. Beef broth. It's going to be one of the great ingredients. I'm going to go ahead and cut the rest of this meat up. I'm going to put it on steam setting on my Instapot for probably about an hour to get this meat nice and tender. Sometimes it takes about an hour and a half to get this a little tender, but usually about an hour, hour and a half, this should be tender enough so I can move to the next stage. Next stage is a couple of things. Like I said, I've been thinking about serving this with some rice. Another option would be, what was I going to do with it? Oh, make beef stew with it, and that would this broth would come in wonderful for making that beef stew. And I'm probably going to if I have enough meat left, maybe make some tortillas or something of that nature. But we'll see where we're in by this end. All right, I'll be back with you guys. Hey peeps, so. Just the goodies. Let me show you get down here. Look at that. Now that is country ribs marinated in steam with some broth. Alright, so pieces I want are the way down in the bottom. Drain some of this juice. And we're going to move this hot plate a little closer so we can get down with the get down. Oh yeah. While we're waiting, I'm going to go ahead and put it on low to start. We're going to add some brown gravy. And you can use the brown gravy that's already in the container that's already been pre-done. Or you can use brown gravy that's in the packs like this. You just have to add a cup of water to it. There you go. There's some more of this. I said a little bit of onions. It's, just because I love onions. Now, just to let you see how tender this is, you can either break the meat up with a mild spoonish. Spoonish, is that a word? It doesn't take much. The meat is so tender, it doesn't take almost no effort to break it up. You can literally be toothless and eat this. Look at that. So what we're gonna do, peeps, is we're gonna let this simmer on medium. Get some of those flavors to set in. Get all that stuff nice and kebab-lated, as we should say. And I'll be right back. All right, peeps. Just gonna add a little extra bling bling to this. We're gonna add a little smoky rub dry, just a little bit, not a whole lot. Just to add a little extra bing bing to it. A little bit of black pepper, not much, just a little bit. And we're gonna add a little cayenne pepper. Oh yeah, give that a little bit of bite. Not a whole lot, just a little bit. I'm just gonna stir this all in. This is pretty much ready. Got a little bit of rice. Time for Ron's $1 million taste test. Oh, let me pause this. First thing we do, let's let you know what it looks like. Snacky cake. This you get this smoky rub leaves such a unique smell on meat. It's almost breathtaking. So let's take a little bit and see what how this came out. Nice bad, not bad at all. Ooh, you know what is missing? Just a tad bit of. Oh shoot. Just need a smidge. Oh yeah. With the onions. Woo. Bread is hot. This it's mouth-watering. The meat is so tender that if I was Gumby and didn't have a tooth in my mouth, I could eat this. Almost no effort at all. And that's the power of the steam. You know how many people talk about, oh, let's put it on the grill. Yeah, well, okay, you can do that too. But steamed meat. Now, how would I rate this? Because I'm using rice, it's not the healthiest dish in the world. Rice has a lot of carbs, refined carbs, which are not very healthy. But the meat itself, it's been steamed, not fried, not grilled with butter, so you don't have that extra fat. But you do have some fats. We all need fats in general.
Well, just about as healthy as you're gonna get when you want to eat some meat. He's not adding a lot extra unnecessary calories to it, other than the rice. Sometime I'll do myself. But you can pretty much season this meat with it however you want to. You can actually put different gravies in, like onion gravy, mushroom gravy, however it makes you feel. My gosh, this is delicious. So, that is how you can make country ribs using an Instant Pot, frying pan, gravy, and onions. And like I said, you can mix and match however you want to do it to fit your taste buds or the taste buds of your family. You can always use mashed potatoes instead of rice if you don't like rice. Most people do, but either which way, mashed potatoes ain't a whole lot better than rice. Until next time, folks, take care, eat well, live long, and I'll talk to you soon.